Welcome back friends to our YouTube channel Cracksoft. Today we will see how to add multiple audio in a single video file or how to make MKV file in PC. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start. First of all, download the file from the link given in the description. Now run the setup file. Click on next. Click on next and click on finish. Now run the software. This is the basic interface of our software. You have to give input file from here. Now we will add any video file to here, such like this. See, there is one audio file here and one video file here. Now we will give the track name that music 1. Now if I want to add another audio track, then select any audio file and import here. Select add as new source file, first option, and click on OK. Now give this audio name to music 2. As this way you can add multiple audio track to any single file. Now select here output folder and give the file name new file and click save. Now click on start multiplexing. As this is finished here, now open the folder and run file in VLC player. Now you can change audio track from here, 1 or 2. As you can see, we can change audio track here. As this way we can create MKV file with 2 or multiple audios in this software. You can also edit chapters here and you can create queue for multiple files. As this way this software is used. If you find this information helpful, then like our video, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.